Want to make your Windows 11 taskbar smaller? In this video, I will show you all the taskbar options that are built into Windows 11 and then the real solution that actually lets you resize it. Before proceeding, please make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK and let's get started. In your Windows 11, just right click on your taskbar and go to taskbar settings. Here we have few options. If you want to hide or show the search box, you could change options from here. Let me do it search icon and label. Now this is showing a little search bar for me. Next option we have is task view. Right. Next we have widgets. If we want to add or remove widget from our taskbar. If we go to taskbar behavior, we have some interesting options here. Here we have automatically hide the taskbar that will hide the taskbar until we hover our mouse on the taskbar. If you want to show badges our taskbar, you could go ahead and enable show badges. If we scroll more down, here we have option combine taskbar button and hide labels. Let's see what it does. If you go and change combining taskbar option from always to when taskbar is full, this will changing the taskbar display. If you go to never, this still keeps the same, and if you go to always, this will again reduce the taskbar and combine the icon bags. Now here we have an option that show smaller taskbar button. If I select always, you could see here it's perfectly showing smaller button for my taskbar. If I go to when taskbar is full, it's changing its position and it will never change the button size smaller. If I go to always, it's showing smaller button. And the next interesting option I forget to tell you is taskbar alignment. If I click on left, this will take my taskbar directly to the left side. And if I click on center, this will take back to the center. Now let's install ExplorerPatcher to get the real taskbar resizing options in Windows 11. On ExplorerPatcher website, under release, you will see the latest version here. Just scroll down again and here we want to download ep_setup.exe file. That's fine. Let me select the download folder and it started downloading. Now let's go ahead and start the installation. Now it started downloading symbols from a Windows. Perfect. Once ExplorerPatcher is successfully installed in your laptop, just right click on the taskbar and you will see this properties button here. Just go to properties and here we have a lot of options related to taskbar, system tray, file explorer, start menu and many more. And that's it. With ExplorerPatcher, you can now fully customize your Windows 11 taskbar, specifically making it smaller. Just go ahead and try it yourself. The download link is in the video description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows tips, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you would like to see. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.